In a camper van, storage is such a premium. Everything should have two purposes, and everything should be as compact as possible. In this video, I show you how to replace all of that weight, bulk, and single-purpose items with this. This is the Rumpl Puffy Blanket. Let me tell you why you should consider this blanket in your camper van. Let me give you my 5 reasons and a bonus why I love this Rumpl blanket and why you might want to consider it for your camper van. Reason number 5 is it's made from recycled bottles. Yeah, 60 plastic bottles for drinking water turned into this one awesome blanket. So cool. Reason number 4 is it's really cool looking. Let me unbag this bad boy for you and spread it out here. Comes out of the stuff sack, and look how beautiful this is. This is the Joshua Tree motif. You can see it, right? It's pretty gorgeous. Reason number 3 is it is versatile. What do I mean? My old bedding was simply a blanket to use at night. You really couldn't use one for a blanket outside because reason number 2 is these things are dirt resistant, water resistant, and it doubles as a cape with these little clips. So you can put it around yourself out by the campfire or out with the kids, sitting in your chair. Super versatile. Can't do that with my old bedding. Reason number 2, yeah, did I mention dirt, water resistant? That's pretty awesome. Not flame retardant, so be careful about that. But they have multiple purposes, can do a lot more than just my crummy old bedding that I used to have. And reason number 1 is it's compact. This whole blanket squishes down into this one bag. And the bag itself then has a second purpose. It's a bolster pillow. Whether I'm in bed or up watching movies, it's just the greatest thing. And the bonus is, are you ready for this? It's super comfy. Yeah, this thing is really pretty amazing. It's really lightweight. It does have a little sheen slickness feel to it, but it is really, really awesome. In hot weather, I use it. My feet stick out, so they're nice and cool. In cold weather, this is just the most perfect thing, and I am just in love with my Rumpl Puffy Blanket. I lied. It weighs 2 pounds, which is significantly less than all the other bedding. And the size is 52 inches by 75 inches. And this is the tag that comes with it. It's really cool, like little booklet thing here. Just talking about the company, the environment, and it's really a cool tag, really well done. If you like Apple packaging, you're gonna like this a lot. This is what the Joshua Tree one looks like. Just absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the Yellowstone. They're national park editions, by the way, which is what I bought. So this is Joshua Tree National Park, pretty cool. And this is the Yellowstone edition, right? Let me show you how beautiful this is. One of the most famous things in Yellowstone is the Morning Glory Pool, right? Just so amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this really short product video. We do these every now and again when I discover something or you teach me something about a product that really makes the camper van experience better. Do us a favor, purchase this through our affiliate link. We'll put this down in the show notes, and you can get it off my website, GoSmallLiveLarge.com, under the products page. We are an affiliate with these folks, so I make a few bucks, which is awesome. And you get a really amazing blanket. They're about $99 each. And I am really glad to have replaced all of this bedding with 2 puffy blankets. Now, seriously, what would you rather have? Rumpl Puffy Blanket. Hey, if we're meeting for the first time, howdy, my name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large. If you're a loyal viewer, thank you for watching this video. Send me in product tips, and let's get the word out when there's something better than we have currently. Till we see you soon, I wish you to journey on, and peace be with you. A couple more tips for you, so you know how these tags are kind of funny. Under penalty of law, not to be removed by. This one actually has some pretty important ones. Number 1, again, as I mentioned, it is not flame proof, so this will burn, so you want to be really careful around a campfire. And it's really slick, meaning it's got a sheen to it. So the warning label here says, be careful about putting your baby in it because they could slip out. Pretty good advice. And care is you wash it basically in cold water. So machine wash cold separately, do not bleach, tumble dry low, do not iron, made in China. And by the way, if you're looking for some cool things for your camper van, like window screens that fit into the driver and cab windows, these are mesh, keep the bugs out, lets the fresh air in, and keeps your pet safe. Keeps the jerks out too, because it's really, really sturdy. Go to my website, Go Small, Live Large, learn how to purchase these and get really cool items, many recommended by you for my camper van. And yours too. See ya.